Namaskar, I am Purnima Devi Barman and I am a wildlife biologist from the beautiful state of Assam, and I work with NGO Aranyak. And we have been working with local communities to save a bird called Hargila, and I have been working with more than 10,000 families in villages in Assam to save this bird. In today's world and in our lifestyle, we are losing everything, our natural resource, our species we are losing, and and the habitats. For example, we are working for Hargila birds, and when I started my work, many trees were cut down and wetlands were destroyed, and then I realized about the climate change, and so it's a major concern the way we are losing our wetlands every day, and because of our development, urban planning, and because of our lifestyle, and it's every day it's affecting us, and it's affecting, I think, more our women communities and everyone, and we are trying very hard to work with communities to combat climate change. Impact on wildlife, because of our development, city plannings, we are losing many resources and green areas, and we are losing species. Every day we are losing a species, and but here I would like to tell you a story I'm from Assam, and I have seen a success story of rhino conservation, which is done by our Assam government and in collaboration with NGOs and communities. And rhino conservation story is such a success story, and our people, our government collaborated together, and they could stop the poaching, and so that gives a hope. Then I would like to tell you about the story of our Hargila conservation, about our Hargila army, who are working so hard to save Hargila from extinction, and in this way we have not let the trees cut down, and this way we have let the carbon intake. And I think Hargila conservation story by our Hargila army is one of the success story, and but we are beginning and we have to work a lot, definitely. And but these are some impacts that I can mention here, but I request that everyone can be a conservationist, everyone can do a lot towards conservation, but for this we need a heart, conservationist heart inside us, and to work in and to go with actions. So every day we are, I think, occupying the habitat of our wildlife. So, and in this way, when we are occupying their homes, the homes of our wildlife, so we are seeing, or we are observing the man-animal conflict, and I think we have to work very hard to combat this man-animal conflict, and we have to believe in coexistence, so wildlife and people can live in coexistence and harmony. And for this, I think our youths can play a major role, and they can collaborate with communities and planners, policymakers, so that our wildlife and our people, they coexist together. So nowadays we have many options or career opportunities when a youth think about wildlife conservation, and she or he can be a biologist, researcher, and they have many opportunities to work in different projects around the world, which are done by many NGOs, institutions. Nowadays our NGOs and many institutions are are doing lots of mega projects on conservations, working with government. So I think our youngsters can join them, and they can do lots of studies at first to empower them and to mold them. So so they can do lots of courses in wildlife conservation. For example, in India, we have lots of such institutions, but I want to mention about Wildlife Institute of India and many other institutions where our youngsters can groom up and they can study about wildlife conservation, and and then they can proceed. I'm really very honored to be here at this event by TEDx FORE, and I'm very grateful to them for giving me this opportunity to share my journey with the youth and with the audience and everyone, for because I think it's a huge opportunity for me. I work in Assam and with local communities, but I realized that it is very important for everyone to listen to our Hargila, listen to our story about the Hargila bird and how local communities are working towards a ecological harmony in Assam. And it's wonderful, and I request TEDx FORE for bringing such more opportunities for people like us, so that you can inspire millions and millions youths and groom up them. Thank you.